personality style. Again, we are still on the About Me. So 2 ways to do it. Notice that now we have the check mark on Matchmaker and the personality style opened up. So if I click on personality style, it is going to tell me why my personality style matters. So when you're ready, click ready. And then it's going to have 28 questions about how you feel regarding these statements. So making agreement through negotiating, and maybe for me, I'll be like, you know what, I am not sure. I'll just click not sure. So I will bring information now, just like, guess what? What if I want to change my mind? If you look over here where it says review my answers, if you click here, it's going to take you to what you have answered so far. And let's say I say organizing and storing information. I say, you know what? I want to change it and I want to put like. Feel free to change it. And this is for any of the questions. And then you could go back to quiz and it's going to take you to the next questions. Okay, I will finish this and then I will get back to you. If you are done with your personality style, it actually tells you that you are, for example, for me, I am a thinker and a helper. If you want to click on view your full results, okay, you could go ahead and click, and then your personality style tells you a little bit more about why you are a thinker. For example, for me, it says, I enjoy analyzing and problem solving. And then at the bottom, it tells you a little bit more. Okay, and go ahead and read it. And then there's careers here that match based on the other matchmaker that you did. It starts linking them. All right, and then go ahead and read it. And again, it tells you more information. Click on the other one. I am a helper. And again, you go down and it gives you more information. Alrighty. Click done and you are all set. And now you have a check mark on personality style.